We have a 2012 BMW X3. It's a CAS 4 module. We are adding a key using our IM608. We're already in the process. Those are the keys we're gonna use. There are two different kind of keys. One of them is 350 megahertz frequency and the other one is the 420 megahertz. If we don't choose the right key with the right frequency, the key will not program, remote will not work, and you'll have to put the key close to the ignition coil to start the car every time. That's why we make sure we have the right key every time. Now we're attempting to read the SK code, which is the secret key code, via OBD. It should work. If it did not, we have to pull out the CAS module and do it on bench. And here's our password. Okay, and we go and hit position number 9, right key. It will tell you the frequency right here, 315. So we need one of those keys. And it will ask us to put it near the ignition coil. Say okay. We'll put it here. And key written successfully. It says place the key close to the start induction coil and press the ignition switch for 10 seconds. The key can work properly only after being learned. So I'll turn the ignition off and then I'll press and hold for 10 seconds. We should be okay. And it worked. That's it for today. We're gonna go ahead and cut the emergency key, and that will be it. The emergency key, it's HU100R. You can leashy the door lock, or you can just copy the existing key since we have an existing key already. That's it for today.